Question 5 is 4 marks. So the question says you have the general set, and then you have A equals 2, 4, B equals that, C equals this. List the members of the set A, this sign, B. This sign means union, and it looks like a U. This is to help you remember union. Union is when things come all together, right? So A or B is also called OR. Is when you write everything in A plus everything in B. So A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12, and B is 3, 6, 9, 12. I just want to write them in order. So I write 2 first here, and then I write this 3, and then 4, and then 6, 8, 9, right, 10, and 12. So we got the answer of this part of the question. Now let's look at the next question. The next question says this is not B. Anything that is not in B. So what's B? B is just 3, 6, 9, 12. Anything here and not in B, which are 1, 2, the 3 is there, so we don't write it. 4, 5, 6 is in B, so we don't write it. 9 is in B, and 12 is in B. So anything that is not in B. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. And I think 10 and 12. 10, 11. 10 and 11. Did you get it? So anything that is not in B. That's very good. Now let's look at the next part. The next part give you some universal set again. That's the universal set here, and that's A, and that's B, and that's C. Now the question says use one of these signs. A intersect with C. So can A and C intersect or not? Do they have anything in common? A and C. They don't. A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. There is nothing in common. This is an empty set. The empty set is this sign. So this is what we write here. It's called Y. Empty. When there is no intersection, it's this sign. Now 13 and the general set. Let's ask ourselves, is 13 inside this general set or not? 13 is not here, so 13 doesn't belong to the general or the universal set. Doesn't belong is this sign. So now I'm going to use that. So this is 13 and it's not part of the universal set. What if it was there? If it was there, we will just use this sign. This means belongs or part of this set. And that's your 4 marks for this question. Now, let's look at the next question. Question 6 is 4 marks. It looks nice. Let's do it.